Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A, B, C, D. This is our colors. This is our colors. This is green color. This is pink color. This is light pink color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is blue color. This is brown color. This is light green color. This is red color. This is sky blue color. This is black color. This is purple color. So kids, let's start the video. Black color. A for ant. Yellow color. B for banana. Green color. C for cow. Purple color. D for doll. Sky blue color. E for eye. Orange color. F for foot. Blue color. G for gun. Brown color. H for honey. Light green color. I for eyes. Red color. J for jackfruits. Pink color. K for king. K for king. Black color. L for light. L for light. Pink color. M for mouth. M for mouth. Red color. N for nose. N for nose. Brown color. O for orange. O for orange. Blue color. P for pencil. P for pencil. Orange color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. Purple color. S for sun. S for sun. Black color. T for tree. T for tree. Green color. U for uncle. U for uncle. Sky blue color. V for van. V for van. Light green color. W for wheel. W for wheel. Pink color. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt, purple color. Z for zoo. A for alligator. B for banana. C for cow. D for doll. E for eye. F for foot. G for gun. H for honey. I for ice. J for jackfruits. K for kangaroo. L for light. M for mouth. N for nose. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tea. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. And Z for zoo. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.